Full disclosure, this was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Whoa guys, right here, we got a heating pad. This thing is nice guys. This thing will allow you to have a nice heat on your shoulder, nice heat on your back of the neck. Very comforting, very relaxing and enjoyable, and it's weighted so it feels nice and cozy. Boom, right there inside the box. What do we have? Let's take it out of the box. Here we go. So here is the heating pad. Pull it out of the bag. There we go. Ooh, I can see the material right here. Very smooth material. Oh, this is a really nice fabric right here. Super smooth feeling. Very cozy feeling. And here's the instruction manual. It comes in 6 different heating modes. It has 4 different sleep timers as well. So here's the cord. The control unit is between the heating pad and the plug. It's nice because the control will be close to you even though the cord is still long and plugs into the wall. So let me go ahead and plug this thing in and show you guys how this thing works. Let's flip the switch to on and boom, it's on. Look at that. So right here, you have different modes of heat. Look at the heat mode right there. You got one here. This is level 6. Level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6. And then you have different timers right here. So here's your timer. 1, 2, 3. You have 4 different modes of timer so that you can decide how long this thing stays heated before it turns off. So you don't like have the risk of having it heated the whole night. So you have a timer that turns off whenever you want. So you can choose to turn it off after 2 hours, after 90 minutes, after 60 minutes, or after 30 minutes. So 4 different sleep timers on this thing. Of course, the big on-off switch here, on and off. Very simple. This thing uses about 60 watt of power and it plugs into a 100 volt outlet up to a 120 volt outlet AC. So here it is right here. This thing is really nice material. I can feel the material right now. It feels very nice. And let me just go ahead and wrap this around my neck right here. And as you see right here, it's just like here, this heating pads right here that will heat your shoulder, your neck, and the back of your head. It's right here. There's a little button. You snap this button right. You snap the button together. There we go. So the button snaps in and this thing holds in place. And there's some weight right here. There's some weighted material around built in that allows this thing to sit closer to your chest, closer to your shoulder, so it feels cozy. You see back here, it's heating the back of my neck, the shoulder. We're on level 3 right now. I might even crank it up to level 6. Right now we're at level 6. I want to see if I can really feel the heat. Oh, it's very nice. And it heats up fast. Wow, this thing heats up very fast. Again, I feel it in my shoulders. I feel it in the neck right here and the back of my neck. It feels really good. Shoulders, back of my neck, and back of my head. So when you're done using it and you need to wash this thing, you can unplug it. So what you do is you turn it off first, of course. And right here, you can actually unplug the cable. Very easy. Seems like you just pull, yeah, you just pull the cable right there. You pull it out. You can only plug it in one way. So I'm going to pull out the cable right now. I have removed the power cable from the heating pad. Machine washable heating pad. Very fast to heat up for your shoulder and the neck and your back of your head right here. Very nice heating pad. Very soft and comfortable as well. This is a great gift for yourself or someone you love because it just feels good when you're wearing this thing. And again, it has 6 levels of heating and 4 different timer modes. It's nice, it's simple, and it works. Heating pad right here.